Today was really a focus on tackling the coronavirus pandemic with those 10 executive orders. Basically, three parts, three general parts. One is ramping up, of course, the vaccination, also expanding testing and helping to reopen schools. Now, to focus a little bit more on that vaccination plan, basically, he's trying to ramp up all the aspects of vaccination, whether it's expanding the number of vaccination sites. He wants more federal vaccination sites at stadiums, at conference centers, at gymnasiums. He also wants more people, more personnel to be able to give those vaccines. So he wants to call in the military to help out, the National Guard, and says that he will reimburse the states for calling in the National Guard to help out with that vaccination. He also asked that states really look to widen the number of people and the different types of groups that are allowed to get the vaccines right now. Of course, the people who are over the age of 65, but also to expand on those essential workers, that it's not just healthcare workers, but that now we need to move on to some other of the frontline workers, including people who work at grocery stores, for example. He also said that he was going to invoke the Defense Production Act in order to help with that production of the vaccine, and also with all the equipment needed to vaccinate, whether it's needles, whether it's disinfectant, or personal protective equipment for the people giving those vaccines. He really doubled down on how important this was. He said that it was going to be difficult, that it was a wartime undertaking to tackle this coronavirus. But these first 10 executive orders are really focused on that, to try to really ramp up all of the aspects of tackling this coronavirus pandemic, including helping out also for those schools to try to reopen by helping schools, by reimbursing schools for all the funds that they need to put in to make classrooms safer for kids to come back.